Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a National Australia Bank or NAB online checking and saving accounts in 2023. NAB is one of Australia's most prominent bank offering a wide range of financial solutions to its customers. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps or step-by-step process by setting up your NAB online checking and saving accounts, providing you with convenient access to manage your finances. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to the URL section and simply you'll have to type nab.com.au and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you will find yourself at the home screen or main screen of NAB account or bank account. And of course, as you can see, keeping you safe. So important changes of cryptocurrencies transactions to prevent scams, as an example, so you don't get scammed. And of course, if you don't know much about this NAB bank account, you can scroll down, read more information about it. If you're like hesitating or something like that, you can from here report even a fraud or scam. Because a lot of people will not just want to open a bank account on a bank that they know nothing about. So you can scroll down, read more information about it, and know what you're dealing with. You can even, as an example, make or book an appointment if you want to go and make everything in person. You can book an appointment and view even the NAB variable rates details and see everything you want. And you can go and open your checking and saving account online, or sorry, in person. And of course, if you have an account, like if you have a debit card there or something like that, you can always go and log in into your account. So that will prevent you from wasting a lot of time while creating your checking and saving account. And once you are done, and you want or you know what you want, you can simply go to personal at the top left corner and of course make sure to use personal, and as you can see here, make sure to go and choose bank account. Once you click on bank account, this will take you here. So as you can see, you will find here many popular accounts that you can start. So access to save your money with our transaction and saving account option with no monthly fees. If you go back as an example, there's even the options from here, as you can see, to find other options if you want to. So there's the home loans, credit card, bank accounts, personal loans. So we want like transaction accounts and saving accounts. Transaction is just the checking account and the saving account is the saving account. So as you can see from here, we have two options that we can choose from on this transaction account. So we have the NAB classical or classic bank account, meets your everyday bank account, easy access to your money every day with no monthly account or overdraft fees. Monthly account fee $0, overdraft fee $0, and of course withdrawal fee at ATMs $0. So the features on this account: no monthly account fees and no minimum monthly deposit, no overdraft fees if you happen to go over your account balance, and no ATM withdrawal fees at over 7,000 ATMs across Australia, and an NBA Visa debit card for all your everyday spending. Of course, as you can see, online or open online in less than 5 minutes. So you can simply go and click on apply now if you want to open like on this option or this plan. There's even the NAB retirement account. If you want to open like this plan, you can simply, as you can see, get more from your money in retirement. Enjoy easy access to your money while earning a competitive interest rate. The monthly account fees, overdraft fees, and withdrawal fees at ATMs will be $0. And features on this account, it's going to be the first fee is going to or the first feature is going to be the same. So no monthly account fees and no minimum monthly deposits. Earn interest daily on your account balance, which is super good, and no ATM withdrawal fees at over 7,000 ATMs across Australia, and an NAB, sorry, not NBA, Visa debit card for all your everyday spending. So if you want to find out more, you can click on it and read more information about it. For us, let's just say we want this one, so click on apply now. Once you do so, you'll have to answer some questions. So are you new or existing customer? If you have an NAB customer, it selects existing. So for me, I'm just going to click on new. So applying online, you will have to meet this criteria. So you will be or you'll need to have like 14 years or older. You are an Australian resident for tax purposes, and you have your ID ready. Security, we need to verify your identity. So you'll need to have Australian passport, foreign passport, Australian driver license, or Medicare card, depending on whatever you have. And of course, make sure to read all of those. So you'll be sure of everything. Then simply, if you're ready to apply, if you checked you're eligible to apply and have all documents ready. So let's get started by clicking on get started. Click on there and you will be taken to another page where you can apply. So let's just wait a bit. And as you can see, application details. So how many people are applying? I'm just going to click on no. Are you an NBA customer? No, or NAB, sorry, and click on next. This will take you now to tell us about yourself. So enter your personal information. So what you'll have to do here, simply enter your personal informations or provide your personal informations and verify your identity. Add any additional account if you want. You'll be able from here to add like a saving account if you want to, or any other account that you want. And simply you'll have to, on this almost finished, you'll have to go and view the terms of use and review them and accept them. Once you're done, you'll have to wait 1 or 2 business days and you will have your account ready for use. And you'll be good to go. But as an example, if you didn't add the additional accounts or saving accounts here, let's say an example, you'll have to explore like saving account option from here. So you have two plans again. We have the NAB Reward Saver and NAB iSaver. Depending on the features that you want, of course, you can read all of that. Let's just not waste time reading all of that again. Depending on whatever you like, you can read it and see whatever you like. You can even find out more and read more information about it. Click on Get Started on whatever you want. Let's say, for example, I will like this one. Click on Get Started here. Once you do, you'll have to go through kind of the same process. So I'm just going to click on New here. And as you can see, kind of the same criteria that you'll have to meet, and make sure to read everything again. Of course, this saving accounts might be a little bit different, so make sure to read everything again and click simply add get started. This will take you to another page again to apply. So how many people are applying? One, NAB customer no, click on next, and here you'll have to again provide your personal information, verify your identity, add any additional account that you want. Of course, if you already now have your checking account, you can simply log in into your account instead of add in all those informations again, because this will take from you less time to enter, because you will find everything here filled with the personal informations. And finally, you'll have again to review and accept the terms of use. Click on submit and you will get your account in 1 or 2 business days and you will find yourself good to go. You can now, of course, access your account once you have your account. So congratulations, you have successfully created your NAB account, check-in and saving account. You can now, of course, access your account through NAB user-friendly online banking platform, mobile app. They have, of course, a mobile app, or even by visiting a local branch. So thank you for joining us today in this tutorial on how to create a national bank or Australia Bank or NAB online checking and saving accounts in 2023. NAB offers a seamless banking experience, empowering you to manage your finances efficiently. Remember to keep your account information secure and feel free to contact NAB customer support for any assistance you may need. Enjoy your banking journey with NAB, and we wish you financial success ahead. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. And I will see you in the next video.